introduce myself. My name is Dia. You can call me Dia. I'm from the fifth semester, and now I go to the from my teacher to explain about our material, that is about language and community. Okay, for the first, I'm gonna explain about the language. In your opinion, what is the language? Okay, especially there are many people say the language is the tool for communication, right? But I think it's not the explanation. It's not about mean that is language. That is the function of the language. So, what is the language? I have ever read the research that the language is the symbol system of the sound. So, if we want to gather it, it will become a word. It will become a sentence that there are many people know what I mean. Especially, there are many people use language for communication. So, the function of language is for communication, but the meaning language is the symbol system of the sound. There are many kinds of language. Maybe as like English or Indonesian or Japanese, Mandarin. It's dependent where we live. If we live in England, maybe we can use English language. If we live in Japanese, so we will use Japanese language. I think language is important because we cannot communication with the other people, with each other between language, because especially the human understand what we mean because the language. So we have to be mastering the language that we need. And also there are many functions of the language. Not just because for communication. So the language is for our life, and that is important for our life. Everything, what will we do? We need the language because the language is symbol of system that will be communication between each other. Okay, next, number 2, that is about community. If, in your opinion, what is the meaning of community? Okay, I'm gonna explain to you. Community is the group between some people, so that will become a community. There are many explanations about the community. Some of research say that community is the group of people that we have the important thing for in their life. Is as like working or as like their life and extra. So community is the group of humans. In community, there are goals, or there are the important thing in community. There is like culture, there is like a habit in the community. So that community will make us like big group, and also we call it a society. In community, there are many working that we can do. especially as like discussion, as like even we need the community. And what is the relation between community and language? Okay, every community needs the language because every human, of course, they need the language for their communication, for give them, give them the something that we want to do. It's like the culture, it's like working, it's like extra. So the community is the group contains people. There are many something that they can do in community. Maybe enough for me. That is the explanation about the language and community. If I have many mistakes, please forgive me. And last I said, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.